All right, let's look at an example when we actually have to do some integration and not just break it down into a partial fraction decomposition. So to integrate this, we are going to need to do partial fractions, but then after that, we still have to deal with the fact that we are integrating. So it's basically like the problems that you've seen, the examples you've seen so far are just that. And now we're dealing with the fact that, oh yeah, there's an integration symbol on the outside of this. All right, to start, you're always going to factor the denominator. So this is going to be an x plus 6 times an x minus 1. All right, that's the denominator, okay? So what I have is x plus 3 over x plus 6 times x minus 1. That's going to be equal to something over x plus 6 plus something else over x minus 1. And it's just like the problems that we've been doing now. So I'm going to get x plus 3 on the left. Remember, we're going to multiply by the denominator of the left side, so that's completely going to go away. The x plus 6 is going to cancel the x plus 6 here and leave me with an a times x minus 1. The x minus 1 is going to cancel and leave me with b times x plus 6. All right, so from here I can see that the a and the bx have to form to give me a 1. I also see the negative a plus 6b has to combine to give me 3. So I know a plus b equals 1. I know that negative a, 6b, equals 3. And I could put that into the Desmos calculator like I've shown you in previous videos, but I notice here that the a and the negative a are going to cancel if I just add these, and I end up with 7b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4/7. And since a plus b have to equal 1, that means a is equal to 3/7. So a is 3/7. That's over top of x plus 6. b equals 4/7. And that's over top of x minus 1. All right, now what I would do is, instead of writing them that way, I would write them as 3/7 times 1 over x plus 6 plus 4/7 times 1 over x minus 1 dx. All right, now we're going to break that into two integrals. The integral of the 3/7 times 1 over x plus 6, or you can write it as just dx over x plus 6, plus the 4/7 times the integral of dx over x minus 1. And both of these are just logs. If you did a u substitution, you'd have u equals x plus 6, du equals 1 dx. So this is just 1 over u, so that the integral is always going to be the log. So we end up with 3/7 the natural log absolute value of x plus 6 plus 4/7 the natural log the absolute value of x minus 1 plus c. So there's how you use partial fraction decomposition in a calculus problem.